Today's story is about a single mother. No magic, just relentless hard work. She began by preparing the foundation, using a long-handled tool to dig endlessly deep holes into the rich red soil. Her movements were efficient and powerful. With considerable effort, she lifted the first giant bamboo, setting the heavy trunk in place before firmly planting it in the newly dug hole. She repeated this arduous process, carefully erecting a series of towering pillars, forming the sturdy frame of her structure. Next, she carefully selected smaller bamboos to serve as crossbeams. With incredible precision, she threaded the ends of each beam through pre-cut holes in the pillars, deftly creating sturdy mortise and tenon joints. She worked around the structure, pushing and adjusting the beams until the lower frame was complete. To ensure maximum stability, she used a wooden tool to compact the soil around the base of each column, creating a solid, vibration-free foundation for the building. The project then took off as she began to build the roof. She hoisted long, slender poles to the top of the frame. Climbing a simple bamboo ladder, she positioned herself on top of the structure to begin laying the rafters. One long bamboo pole at a time, she carefully placed each long bamboo pole across the main beams, creating a slope for the roof. She continued this process, gradually building up the entire roof frame. Finally, she began to lay down small, split bamboo slats, meticulously placing them on the bottom beams to form a sturdy and functional floor, bringing her beautiful bamboo roof one step closer to completion. Under the gentle shade of the thatched roof, the woman focuses on the next important stage of the project, installing the floor. She works with a combination of modern efficiency and traditional materials, using an electric drill to drill precise pilot holes through the tough outer layer of each split bamboo slat. This careful step prevents the bamboo from splitting as she secures it. Once the holes are drilled, she takes a nail from a small bag and, with a few practiced hammer strokes, secures the bamboo to the support beams below. Her rhythm is steady and hypnotic, drilling, nailing, hammering. She moves methodically across the floor, placing each bamboo panel one by one, concentrating. The once open frame gradually transforms into a solid, beautiful surface, the natural greens and tans of the bamboo creating a rustic and inviting texture. The house begins to take shape, a solid wooden deck, offering a breathtaking view of the tranquil lake. She continued to align, drill, and nail smaller pieces of bamboo into place, adding yet another functional element to her wonderfully handcrafted retreat. Each detail was meticulously reinforced, a testament to her incredible skill and dedication. With the foundation, floor, and roof complete, the woman turns her attention to the intricate work of building the walls. Her movements are precise as she lifts short, hollow bamboo slats, sliding them horizontally into specially cut grooves on the main vertical posts. She gradually climbs higher, stacking the bamboo slats in layers to create a sturdy and visually striking wall. The structure takes on a new dimension, transforming from an outdoor platform into a true shelter. She seamlessly incorporates window frames and a unique wall ladder, cleverly placing the vibrations of the bamboo in just the right place. Each slat fits perfectly, a testament to her meticulousness and craftsmanship. As a light rain begins to fall, she continues undaunted, adding the final decorative and functional details. She meticulously inserted thin, vertical bamboo slats into the open window frames, creating a beautiful barred effect that allowed air to flow through while maintaining a sense of closure. She moved from window to window, patiently fitting each slat into its predetermined groove, ensuring that every joint was tight and secure, weather-resistant. The woman continues to work on the final touches to the bamboo house, a testament to her relentless focus. She meticulously works on the exterior walls, using a sharp, flat tool to scrape and smooth the surface of the bamboo. This process cleans the wood and refines the intricate patterns she has woven into the design, ensuring every detail is perfect. Rain falls from the thick thatched roof, demonstrating the house's resistance to the elements. Her movements are patient and precise, demonstrating her deep understanding of her craft as she puts the finishing touches on the two-tone diamond pattern that decorates the front wall. When the rain stops, she resumes her work. With the same focused energy, she ensures the entire structure has a clean, finished look. The final major components are the doors and window shutters, which she pre-assembles. She carefully brought the large wood panel door into place, fitting it snugly into the frame before securing it with simple but effective wire hinges, tightening it with pliers. She added a clever upward swinging shutter to the window, completing the look of the house. Her project was complete, and she could finally relax. So the project was complete. See you in the next build video.